Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by switching anything that relies on Facebook to a non-Facebook credential. First, enable an alternate login, email, Google, or Apple on every service. Next, export or backup profiles, contacts, and app tokens so you can restore access if needed. Then open each app settings and identify Facebook login or OAuth entries. Once done, make sure you document which accounts used Facebook, so you don't accidentally lose access when you revoke permissions. Now you revoke Facebook-based access and replace it. From Facebook, go to Settings, Apps and Websites and remove the apps you no longer want linked. This invalidates tokens. Then, within each external service, add and verify your new login method, logging out and back in to confirm it works. Also find and delete Facebook-linked API keys, webhooks, or tokens in developer panels so background services stop authenticating via Facebook. Make sure to save recovery codes and check connected devices during this transition. Finish by cleaning up and verifying everything works without Facebook. Remove any Facebook app entries on websites and mobile apps once you've migrated logins. Then test sign-in across your devices, clearing cached passwords, cookies, and stored sessions so the old Facebook credential can't interfere. If an account won't let you switch, use account recovery options or reset the password, and if needed, contact the service support. Troubleshooting tip: if a service still requires Facebook, re-enable a temporary Facebook login, migrate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.